Yeah.
Hey everybody, my name is Tu Tran. I am the Nursing Director of Operations of Advanced Hair Restoration.
And I'm Ariane Shamadi. I'm the VP of Sales for Advanced Hair Restoration. Every member of our team, especially on the medical side, we require a certain amount of experience prior to even considering them for employment at Advanced Hair. And then once they are hired, the initial training at first is unlike any other organization as far as how thorough we are and the expertise that's involved in the training of our new hires. And then the ongoing training is unlike anything that I've ever seen. So you're always in the best hands at Advanced Hair.
I would argue that we are very particular on who we accept. And then even when they are with us, we are pretty tough actually on our staff to make sure that the brand and the results are at the level that is acceptable to what we're aiming for our patients. Patients want to have natural looking hair results. They want to have their lives improved. That's our mission, that's what we're supposed to do. So people from all walks of life and all the departments that we have, if they're not on board with that, then they don't fit with the ethos that this company is about. So when it comes to our physicians and staff, yes, we definitely have requirements and stuff like that, but we hold them accountable to the performance based on the results that they have as well.